Okay. So I'm going to be at the Ikeja City Mall on the 31st and 1st of September with lots of food at the Samsung event, where you're going to be chilling out with me and some amazing people.
But most importantly, buy a Fold 6 and get an instant refrigerator. Buy a Flip 6 and get a microwave instantly, like no cherry cambia. So
just show up and have fun at the event, okay? I'll be there with lots of food. Don't forget, those of you that have been planning and making sure that you must eat my food, this is the time for you to eat my food. This is my eyelash done before. Don't worry, I'll go fix them before I reach there. See you guys.